So I had a question about joining the content of cells, and there are actually two different ways you can do it, and both are absolutely correct. The only real difference is one uses a function and the other just uses a standard formula. And if you are working towards certification, then you would want to definitely become a master of the function, the concatenate function. So the first one you will see here under joining cells, I have Connellsville, Pennsylvania, and Uniontown, Pennsylvania. The cities are in column A, the states are in column B, and my goal is to join those. So here you can see I have them combined with no spaces. In column D, I have them combined with a space between them, and the ultimate way to format that would be to combine them with a comma and a space. So what I'm going to do, each of these has a formula in them, and that's how I got the combination. So I am going to press Control tilde to expose my formulas. So you will see here I did equal A9 ampersand B9, and that's the one that gave me the city and the state with no state or no space. Here I have equal A9 ampersand open quotation mark, then I press the space bar, then I close the quotation mark, a second ampersand, and then the second cell. This gave me the city, a space, and the state. And then the third one is almost identical with the exception that between those quotation marks I have a comma and a space. So with this function you would select the cells, and then between the ampersands, using inside of quotation marks, you indicate exactly what you want to appear between those words. So I could have quote, open quote, space, the word and, space, close quote, and then I would have Connellsville and Pennsylvania. So just for demonstration, I'm going to click here, do equal, select Uniontown, put in my ampersand, quote, then I'm going to type or press a space, do and, space, close the quote, ampersand, and then select the other cell, press enter. So now if I go back to the results, you will see I have Uniontown and Pennsylvania. So what goes inside of the quotes is exactly what I want it to be, which includes a space and a word. Below that I have the concatenate function, which you will see the results are exactly the same. However, when I expand it for formulas, you will see the only difference. I used the function, the first cell, and then I typed a comma, and then the second cell. And that gave me the city and the state with no space. This second example gave me the space between, as indicated by the quotation marks with a space in between, and then make this a little wider. This last one gave me the comma, the space between, sorry about that, between my city and my state. So those are ways to combine text in cells. I hope that helps.